the activity to reinforce writing skill and reading skill, and use the visioning of questions to write questions about the text. The question 5. Use the visioning of questions to write questions about the text. Write the answer in the space provided. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. The question 1 is an example. It's given full sentence, and the task is write your answer into space provided. And the question 2, 3, or 4, you have to complete the question by using the words in the text, and then write the answer in the space provided. Yes, you have 5 minutes to complete it. Exercise 5. Can I repeat your task in Vietnamese? Do you need I repeat your task in Vietnamese?
Yes.
Yes. And now you can share your idea, your answer to the answer. Yes. So question 1. How could the huge quantity of rainwater be more readily absorbed by tree? What is your answer? Why? Lan Anh, please.
My answer is the ability of soil to absorb water was only down by its areas.
Yes. Thank you. Sit down, please. How could the huge quantity of rainwater be more readily absorbed by tree? How? The answer of Lan Anh answer is the ability of soil to absorb water was almost double that of area with no tree. We find the answer in this into paragraph. So question 2. What helped reduce sedimentation? Who can complete this sentence? What helped reduce sedimentation? Fine. Yes, thank you. We have to complete the question 2. Is what helped reduce sedimentation? Tide pollution in gym. We can find out information in the text. Yes. Sedimentation. Yes, sedimentation. We can complete the sentence by the phrases tide pollution, stream, river, and lake. And every content to complete question in the text. Just only read it carefully and find the right content to complete it. Yes. And the answer, Zhang, please.
Prevention of soil erosion.
Yes, prevention of erosion. Yes. Thank you. So question 3. Why can the canopy of tree also help? Why? Help. Zoom.
can the canopy of trees also have to prevent soil erosion?
Yes, your answer.
Because the canopy of trees slow rainfall when rain hits the leaf and will slowly percolate into the ground.
Yes, thank you. It's right. And the last question. Question 4, that is create. What is created by you?
Question 4 is what is created by the root system of plants.
Yeah, your answer.
Yeah, it's the space between soil particles.
Yes, it's space between soil particle. Thank you. Sit down, please. And now you can translate the text in Vietnamese.